What's up? I have a thing I want to show you guys. It's something I bought from a guy in Minneapolis. It came with a bunch of push mowers and crap. I put gas in this and it fired right up. It's a old Craftsman chainsaw. Yeah, I thought that was pretty neat. A really old thing. I wasn't expecting it to fire, but just put gas in it and it fired right up. Oh, I also got this Montgomery Awards to start. No, I just let that run. But I got this Montgomery Awards to start too. It's 11 horse. The body's pretty beat up. It's got, it's like dented and crap. But yeah, I got that to start too. Pretty sweet. Now I gotta put a magneto on that Gilson so I can get that to start. And yeah, there's Brandon's racing mower, fast mower, whatever you want to call it. So yeah.